Welcome to this week's Legal Insight with Ngada Attorneys. Today, we're unpacking one of the cornerstones of South Africa's legal framework, case law, the law made by our courts. Case law refers to the body of previous judicial decisions that have set legal precedents. In our country's hybrid legal system, which blends Roman, Dutch, and English law, these judgments are not just records. They are a vital source of law, guiding all courts from the magistrates' courts up to the Constitutional Court. The importance of case law cannot be overstated. It provides consistency and predictability in our legal system. By following the principle of stare decisis, or to stand by things decided, courts ensure that similar cases are treated alike, promoting fairness and stability. Case law also serves to interpret vague or complex legislation, filling in the gaps where written law is silent. Most critically, it allows for the development of our common law to align with the supreme authority of the Constitution. But how exactly is case law used in our courts? The core is the principle of stare decisis. This doctrine operates hierarchically. A lower court, such as a high court, must follow the decisions of a higher court, like the Supreme Court of Appeal or the Constitutional Court. This is known as vertical stare decisis. Decisions from a court of equal status, however, are merely persuasive, not binding. Judges use a key part of a judgment known as the ratio decidendi, or the reason for the decision. This is the essential legal principle that is binding on future courts. Any other comments made by the judge, called obiter dicta, are not binding, but they can be highly influential. When the facts of a new case are significantly different from a precedent, a court may distinguish the case and not follow the earlier decision. A higher court also has the power to overrule its own past decisions if it finds them to be clearly wrong. South African courts have used case law to make profound changes. In S. v. Makwanyane, the Constitutional Court used its power to abolish the death penalty, affirming the constitutional rights to life and dignity. In Government of the Republic of South Africa v. Grootboom, the court established the state's obligation to provide access to housing, demonstrating that socio-economic rights are enforceable. And in cases like Carmichael v. Minister of Safety and Security, the judiciary developed the common law to hold the state liable for failing to protect its citizens. These judgments show that case law in South Africa is not static. It is a dynamic force that ensures our legal system remains just, responsive, and aligned with the foundational values of our Constitution. For legal advice or assistance, contact us using the details below. Thank you for watching Legal Insight with Ngada Attorneys.